if you're looking to use WireGuard instead of OpenVPN with your UGREEN NAS automated media server setup, I'll show you how to do that in this video. For some background on WireGuard, it's a modern open source VPN protocol designed to be faster, simpler, and more secure than traditional options like OpenVPN. Unlike older VPN protocols with bulky configurations, WireGuard works as a single lightweight interface with just your keys and endpoint details, resulting in significantly faster speeds, near instant connections, and an easy setup that makes it a perfect fit for self-hosted setups like our UGREEN NAS automated media server. For the setup in this video, I'll be reconfiguring NordVPN to use WireGuard, but the setup should apply to any VPN service provider that offers WireGuard as well. If you aren't using NordVPN and are interested in switching over, consider using my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment, which helps support the channel. I'll start the setup by logging into my NordVPN account to create an access token, which will be needed to generate a WireGuard private key. Once logged in, I'll click on NordVPN and scroll down to the access token section. I'll click on Get Access Token, which brings up this Verify Your Email window. I'll enter in the verification code that I received through email and click Generate New Token from this Access Token window that I was redirected to. From the Generate New Token pop-up window, I won't make any changes and click Generate Token. Then I'll click Copy and Close from the Copy Access Token window. You'll want to make sure to save the token since we'll use it shortly. Next, bring up the UGREEN NAS web UI and enable SSH from the Terminal Control Panel. Then SSH into your UGREEN NAS and run this curl command directed to the NordVPN API, entering the token you generated earlier like I'm doing in the video. This will return various account details, one of which is the Nordlynx private key that you'll need to copy and save for your WireGuard setup. Next, run this cd command to change to the directory where the arr-stack project is configured. This may be different for you. For example, you might need to use volume2 instead, so adjust the command appropriately. Once you're in the arr-stack directory, run the ls-la command and confirm that you see the .env file. You'll then want to edit the file using the nano editor or the editor of your choice if you're familiar with another Linux editor. You'll then want to change the VPN type to WireGuard. Add the hashtag or the pound symbol in front of both OpenVPN entries. Then on a new line, enter in WireGuard private key like I'm doing and paste in the Nordlynx private key that you copied earlier. That's all that needs to change, so save your changes, and if you're using the nano editor, this is done by using the key combination Ctrl X to exit, then type Y when prompted to save the modified buffer, and lastly hit enter or return on your keyboard to confirm the update to the .env file. Next, switch back to your UGREEN NAS web UI and open the Docker app. Click on Project, select the arr-stack project, and click on the Compose configuration listing. You'll then want to enter this WireGuard private key entry into the Environment section of the GlueTUN container configuration. Also, comment out the OpenVPN entries once again. Click Redeploy, and if all goes well, you'll be set up with WireGuard as your VPN protocol. To confirm, click on Container, then select GlueTUN. Click on Log, and if you scroll up a bit, you should see your VPN settings where the VPN type should now display WireGuard. Hopefully, the switch to WireGuard worked for your setup, and if it did, make sure to give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel as well. Lastly, if you'd like to support my work or hire me to help you get WireGuard configured for your UGREEN NAS automated media server, you can contact me by clicking on the link on screen or in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.